74 model. Picking up any light. I can see it. So here we are again. I really think I have a problem. I did it again. This could be like a, I don't know, semi-daily kind of post. CB750. It's heavy. This is a 1974 CB750k. Singular rear cam, of course. That's registered 79. It's actually relatively complete. And it has some kind of 2.2 exhaust with like these pea shooters on it. They're not in terrible condition, so that's pretty cool. Unfortunately, this thing was parked or whatever. No spark plugs. So no bueno. However, this actually is holding fuel still. It's not varnished like the GS550. The tank is not bad inside, so that can be saved. And as I said, it's relatively complete. Got some sweet rabbit bars. I'll change those, or whatever I do. Or I'll change it, just move them around. I'll keep those for something else. Good old horrendous wiring. Don't use these things, guys. If you watch this channel, you know better. Well, this thing's pretty crusty. Hard to tell what I should do. So obviously I have a ton of bikes. Many before this one. This one was really local to me. I saw it in a Facebook Marketplace ad, and it wasn't necessarily for this bike. It was just, this was in the photos. And this guy does scrap hauling and stuff like that, so I went ahead and just messaged him and be like, hey, do you happen to have that bike? I know it's kind of like a picture for attention kind of thing. He did. So I don't think anybody'd asked him for it. So anyway, yeah, went and dug it up a couple miles from the house, got it for $100. You know, I think it was worth just spending the money on, just to save and make sure this thing gets at least another shot at life. You know, I don't think it's something I'd want to part out. I think this would be whoever does it, maybe it'd be me, I don't know, but just make it run and just ride it. You know, replace what needs to be replaced and just ride it. Have fun with it, you know, enjoy a vintage bike, have something to tinker on and bring it back to life, you know, give it another lease. So I think what I'm going to do now, go ahead and get the air compressor and just knock as much dust off this thing as I can, and then hopefully I can find some kind of key that'll work on the rear seat latch here. I have the ignition switch and I have my bundle of keys I've been collecting for vintage Hondas, but none of them worked, so that kind of sucks. I'd like to see what's under the tank and under the seat. You never know. I've seen them with the titles, you know, stuck under the seat. That'd be cool. Anyway, I'm gonna get to cleaning this thing up just a little bit, just to knock a little bit of the funk off, and then whenever it goes into storage, it won't be so bad. Yep. Alright guys, so we got this thing cleaned off a little bit. It's looking pretty good. Definitely still grungy, but I do like the fact that it's mostly complete. You know, the side covers are shattered. I could probably save the right side one. It's all complete, but obviously broke in half. You know, we're missing a fender. Obviously the bars are not factory. And I don't really know why it was parked originally, but looking at the handlebars, I'm wondering if they went to change them and the cables didn't reach and they gave up on it. I don't know. It looked like they tried, but then it never worked. So I don't know if those bars have never been used or what. Anyway, this thing's gonna go back to the warehouse along with a couple other bikes for sure. You know, it's not top of the heap as far as priority. You saw I just got that GS550 running. If not, link here. But that's gonna be the rider this summer. And then I'll probably just sell that bike. And you know, I always have another bike in the works, and I'm always buying new ones. So anyway, let's figure out what to do with this thing. I'll probably just move it along, let somebody else get their hands on it and do something with it. But you know, I don't know. If it works out to where I can get it running again, that would be really cool. I always love bringing these things back. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. Stay tuned, man. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys would love to see on this thing. If you want to see me do other bikes, I don't know, just give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Be sure to follow me on the socials, just Brickhouse Builds across the board. I post a lot every day, so you can get an idea of what I'm doing when I'm doing it. So anyway, again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.